WGSN Fashion Design is a great source for runway images, and today we're going to be looking at a few ways that you can find these images on the platform. So I'm currently on the Fashion Design homepage of WGSN, and from here you can see that in the top menu they have an entire section devoted to catwalks. If I click on that section, it will take me to the latest collections, and this is sortable by market, city, and season. And below this, they're going to have additional information about catwalk analysis, data insights from the catwalks, a feed of emerging trends, and all of this is related to runway content. So this is a place that you can come to look for this type of runway content all pulled into one place. And it's a really great way to quickly get to particularly the most recent content. So if I click on an image, it's going to take me right to this content. For each of these images, I can download it by hovering over it, or I can click on it to see more information about the image as well. Now, another way that you can get to this same content, though visible in a slightly different way, is through the image library. So if I hover over image, it's going to pop up with these two options, and I'm going to click image library. This can be good when you're looking for a specific designer or a particular time period, or you want to be able to filter more heavily. So for example, if I come to category, I can filter down to catwalk content. And then I could say I'm interested in specific brands. To view all brands, I click here, and this will give me a pop-out with all the brands that are available. I can select one or more, click apply, and this will take me to these images. You can select multiple filters if you wanted to limit to a particular city, time period, etc. For all of these images, again, you can click on them to see them in more depth, and for all of the images, you're able to zoom in as well. It's going to give you all the citation information over here and additional content about the materials used as well. Now, a third way to get to this same content is to go to the reports section and then limit by category. So I can limit again to catwalks, and this is really going to find you those analytical reports about catwalks. So if that's what you're looking for, this is the quickest way to get to just that content. And if I click on a particular report, you can see what these look like. So I would highly recommend checking out WGSN Fashion Design whenever you're looking for runway images. It's particularly helpful for really recent runway images as it focuses on the last few years of content.